This is number 6 from Order of Operations. On this problem we have 3/4 times 2/3 minus 1/2 minus 1/3, and that's all in parentheses, and then when there's 12 on the outside. That implies that once you figure out the answer from this set of parentheses, you will have to multiply by 12. First step is to look inside the parentheses. Our choices are to do multiplication, subtraction, or subtraction. Order of operations dictates that you do the multiplication first. If we're going to do this multiplication, we want to turn them into improper fractions. That step's already been done. And so the next thing to do is look for opportunities to cancel or reduce. As we look at this problem, we see that our 3's can cancel right away. Each of those would turn into a 1. And then we can reduce the 2 and the 4. Let the 2 go to a 1 and the 4 go to a 2. We'll do this multiplication and we'll clean up this. We want to rewrite everything that's in the expression. And so what we'll do is we'll say 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1/2, minus 1/3. As we look at what's left in the parentheses, we see that our options are subtraction and subtraction. Usually when it's nothing but addition or subtraction, I like to find a common denominator. However, with this particular problem, I recognize these two fractions as being equal opposites. One's positive, one's negative. 1/2 minus 1/2 would be 0 minus the 1/3. So I really don't need to find that common denominator. And again, I want to rewrite everything that's in the expression. I don't want to lose anything. 0 minus 1/3 would be negative 1/3. And then I got this 12. This 12 implies multiplication, so I am going to turn the 12 into an improper fraction at this point. And since it is multiplication, it's a time to reduce or cancel. I look for that opportunity. I do see that the 3 will reduce to a 1, and the 12 reduces to a 4. Now I do my simple multiplication. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. 1 times 1, of course, is 1. So this would be negative 4 over 1, written in the simplest form, is negative 4.